I wanted to come on here and do a quick video review of this 34 key numeric keypad that I got. We have a computer or a laptop that doesn't have a number key pad on the right, so I purchased this and hoping it would help when I do my budget every month. It's rechargeable and it's Bluetooth. Comes with a set of instructions and slightly slanted, which I like. The port to plug in the power is at the top here. USB-C. Has an on and off button, a reset switch. Comes with the cord, you just need to provide the charging block. So, I'm excited. It's nice. When you press down, it's quiet. It's not real noisy. The keys are smooth. So, looking forward to this. Just want to do a quick video review. Feels solid, well built. So,